Hello again, everyone. I hope you're doing well and staying safe out there. Really excited about this video we're about to do. It's a great unboxing video of a product that we've been looking forward to launching that's actually going to improve the use of a portable unit like this 7501 from Haws. So let's get to it. All right, so this is like Christmas morning for a safety geek like me. Good things come in small packages, so let's get her going. So inside here, gonna get a bunch of wadding. It's like Christmas morning. All right, so this is the improvement we've been talking about. So this little container actually holds noble metals, and those noble metals help to fight against any kind of growth of bacteria. So Legionella, E. coli, or anything else that could grow in the water that's inside a portable unit, we want to make sure that the water is clear of those, and this will actually do that. Aside from that, there are no chemicals, it's non-powdered, and they're very low maintenance, which we'll talk about later. All right, so inside the box, you're going to get a set of instructions. This is for install and maintenance. Make sure you hold on to those. Those are important. You'll also get a tag. This is a sticker that you can actually place on the cap or place it on the unit. I recommend it on the cap though. And then you can write the date you actually installed, which is important for maintenance purposes. So make sure you write that on there, throw that on the cap. Now for the install itself, screw off the top there. We're going to drop our container inside till it's fully submerged in the water. That's important. Now, if you notice, when I'm actually installing that, I'm not putting it on the right side or the back side of this. We don't want it to actually touch the sides of the unit. All right, so all you need to do, screw the cap on there. It's pretty secure. Wrap around the cap once, pull, wrap around the cap twice, and pull again, and then pull in the opposite direction so that it locks itself down. Now, that unit is not moving anywhere for the next year. All right, so after a year's gone by, we've got to do our maintenance to this unit. So you're going to open up your portable. As soon as you open up that portable, go ahead and unwind your string and pull out the unit. Inspect that unit and rinse it off with pressurized water. Once you've rinsed this off, I do recommend that you change out the water, throw this back in, and you're good for another year. So the big game changer is that this unit alone will last you for 3 years. So we've improved the cost savings and the time it takes to maintain a portable safety eye wash unit like this. So thank you so much for everything. We hope you guys enjoy this, and we look forward to seeing you out there again.